Hi, my name is Will Dillingham. I'm with Inertial Labs. We're here at Energeo, and today we're going to tell you a little bit about some of the products that we have here at the booth. The things that we're launching here at this show are very new and very exciting. We have first and foremost our new TELEDYNE RESEPI EchoONE. This is a joint collaborative product launch between ourselves at Inertial Labs, the RESEPI team, and TELEDYNE. This system features a 1550 laser inside, gets up to 8 returns. We have a pulse rate of about 600 kilohertz, and alternatively you can switch back down to 400 kilohertz. This system is unique in nature because as it's powered by RESEPI, inside it features our Gen 2 lineup. So we're going to get the benefits of the Inertial Labs Kalman filter, our processing boards, our modules inside, and even our new SnapFit adapters. These SnapFit adapters are super exciting because they give you versatility in how you choose to use the LiDAR payload, whether it be on a Sony drone, on a free-fly drone, a Whisper drone, a DJI drone. This paired with the Maxtena antenna, the M9 HTT, gives you phenomenal precision and accuracy in pretty much all applications for remote sensing.